Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to get bank statement Commbank app 2025. If you're a Commonwealth Bank customer in Australia, this updated guide for 2025 will help you access your statements quickly and securely right from your phone. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Commbank app installed on your device. It's free from the App Store or Google Play, and updates are crucial for security and new features. Once that's sorted, open the app and log in with your NetBank ID and password. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer in 2025. Now, head to the main dashboard. You'll see your accounts listed at the top. Tap on the account you want the statement for, like your everyday banking or savings. Next, scroll down and look for the Statements or Documents section. It's usually under a menu icon or directly on the account page. Select it, and you'll be prompted to choose a date range for your statement. Pick the period you're interested in, whether it's the last month, quarter, or a custom range. Once selected, hit View or Download. The app will generate a PDF that you can view in app or save to your device. Pro tip: if you're on the go, use the share feature to email it to yourself for records. This whole process should take less than a minute. Remember, always double-check your statements for accuracy and report any discrepancies to Commbank immediately. In 2025, the app might have new AI features to highlight unusual transactions, so keep an eye out for those. There you have it. Getting your bank statement is now easier than ever. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more banking hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy and see you in the next video.